All right, so here, actually works, right? Kind of blocking the head, chop the head, right? So I'm drawing this. Actually, I'm gonna enlarge this, right? I have to imagine that the top of the head is here, right? So I see the guy from slightly above. I'm thinking, that's my speculation anyway. It's the back of the head, right? This is the nose. See the nose, the line nose ear gives me the angle of the tilt of the head, because remember there is an alignment between the base of the cranium and the ear and the nose. So when I see this aligned this way, that's a giveaway for the tilt of the head, right? So now that's the 7th cervical, right? 7th cervical, and that's the top of the rib cage. Yeah. No, this is one that Angel gave me. This one here, I just put the thing today in. What is the other one? Here. No, it's not it. I just put it in this morning. Here. No. Here. Yeah, you see, they're coming to see they come. This is narrower, and this is perfect for the graphite, like this, right? And even charcoal. See that? You put charcoal in there like that, right? So this is Angel. This is the American guy, right? And this is the French guy. This is a French guy. So now, sorry. Oh, they are reproduction. They are reproduction. They are reproduction, or it's a real thing? I mean, or it's yeah, it's a real thing. You know? Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. So if you can share this the site, maybe I can check a look, just curious, right? Oh, Samson. Okay. Samson. Oh, reenactors. So I was thinking, so this the box right here is the top of the box on the back is higher than the shoulder, right here, because from the front, right, with the box, if I block in the box like this, right, the rib cage like this, right, that is the top of the box from the front, and this is the neck. This is where the clavicle is, and this is the arm. So I'm going to have all this corner here higher than the shoulder. Of course, it's not going to be like that. I mean, this is the arm, right? Of course, the people are not going to be so angular, but I have to consider maximum height. In reality, what I would see here is from the neck here, I would see that the trapeze goes down like that, right? But in this conceptualization, I need to block in this as so I'm going to use the red because I don't see the white here. Just consider the maximum height, right? So the side of the rib cage is probably here, right? That's the end of the rib cage, right here. That is the front. So this is all the side of the box, right? And this is now the bottom, right? And to see where this change of angle happens, that's the end of the rib cage. This is now the maximum width of the rib cage. So you go up like this, right? This is going to be all cut out, but here I can block in the head of the humerus. And also here, right? Because probably this arm could also be lifted a little bit, so I do the humerus here. But overall, we see how these two are going to be lower than the top of the rib cage because they are more lined up with the front of the rib cage, which is about this level here, right? So now here I have the spine, and I can just block in a straight line like this just to have an idea where the center is, right? That's the neck. So I'm going to use a mix of white and red because when I go over the skin,